Getting free traffic from Google used to be hard. You need a website, you need to understand SEO, you need a month of work before you saw your first commission. AI changed all of that. Right now, in 2026, AI can research your keyword, create your content, optimize it for Google, and help you find buyers interested to buy your offers. I have been doing affiliate marketing for over 7 years, and the results I'm getting right now using AI and free traffic are the best I have ever seen. Just last 2 months, I have made $99,946 in the last 2 months. Okay, and just last month, guys, I have made $52,194, and it's paid. This is my payment page, and this is my invoice. You guys can see here everything, recent payment request details. It's paid. Okay, I already received this payment in my bank account. And anyway, in this video I will show you step by step how you can promote your affiliate links on Google using free traffic and AI. And this video is a complete step-by-step tutorial, and stay until the last section because that's where I show you the exact AI workflow, the one that does in 20 minutes what used to take me entire week. Okay, and let's get started. So for people who want to start promoting affiliate links on Google using free traffic, step number one, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. So for me, guys, I'm working with Fiverr affiliates. If you want to join Fiverr affiliates, super easy and simple. You will just go to Google and search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. You just need to use your email address to sign up. And once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so this will be, guys, your Fiverr homepage. You just need to come to this page like this and scroll down just like this. It's easy. Go to company and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be, guys, in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can scroll down to check their commission plan, because this affiliate marketing program, guys, is high cheeky affiliate marketing program. They are paying high commissions. Okay, so you don't need millions of visitors or millions of views or millions of clicks to make good commissions. They are already paying high commissions, so you just need to promote good services, good offers to people who will be interested to buy those services from you. That's how you can win with this affiliate marketing program. Okay, guys, you guys can go and check their commission plan, and you can see that they are paying a really high commission. So for pro services, for example, you guys can see that they are paying up to 70% of the first order, which is really crazy commissions, guys. Okay, the best part with this affiliate marketing program is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buy service from your affiliate link, you earn up to 70% for his first order. If the same person will keep buying and paying for other services for the next 12 months, you keep earning 10% revenue share, which is really good, and you can turn this into a passive income. The lowest that they are paying is 25% for other services, and it's also high commission. Okay, you guys can check the commission plan here to understand more. If you want to create your affiliate account, you will go back to this page and you will click here on join now. Okay, once you click on join now, you will be, guys, in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. You guys can see that the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes. Here I want you to pay close attention. You need to put here your social media profile page link that you will use to promote those services. Okay, then you will scroll down, click on country, and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from China, United States, United Kingdom, France, United Kingdom, Australia, any country. Okay, search for your country from here, Germany, and so on. Once you search for your country, click here on English. You can choose here your language, and once you finish, you can put here your Telegram account if you have. If you don't have, that's fine. You will click on next, and that's it. You will follow a few steps. Sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be, guys, your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. So this will be your dashboard. Okay, you should see here your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy those services that you will start promoting on Google. Okay, so it's clear, guys. What you will do next, guys, is you will go to Google. Okay, so now let's go to Google. And what you will do next, you will go to Google. Okay, just go to your Google homepage, click on the search bar of Google, and search for restaurant USA. Okay, search for this keyword, restaurant USA. You can target a lot of local businesses. For me, I just targeted this one in this video to make it as an example, but you have a lot of local businesses that you guys can work with. Okay, so for me, I searched for restaurant USA. Not just in United States, you can also target local businesses in any country. United Kingdom, Canada, Australia. You can focus on those 4 countries. They are very, very good and profitable. United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. Okay, those local businesses, those countries, they are very, very good. Okay, anyway, once you search for restaurant USA, what you will do next here, you will click here on AI mode. Okay, you see here AI mode, click on AI mode like this. Okay, let me show you, and you will be, guys, in this page you will see this bar. Okay, so here we will use AI to find local businesses that we will use to promote our Fiverr services too. Okay, so pay close attention, please. What we will do here, we will paste here a prompt. So we will paste this prompt, guys. You guys can copy this prompt, or also, guys, you can find this prompt in my video description, so you can download this prompt and use it for any local business that you want to use and that you want to promote your services to. Okay, so for me, I will use this prompt. You guys can see here, act as a Google Map SEO lead generation expert, find 30 real independent restaurants in the United States that are good businesses but have weak Google business profile visibility and could benefit from my SEO service. So we will sell and we will promote Google My Business to those local businesses, like for example a restaurant. Okay, those restaurants that are not ranking good on Google and on Google Map, they will be interested to buy our SEO service, so they can rank higher and get buyers and get more clients from Google Map, because a lot of people, they use Google Map to search for restaurants, to search for clothing stores, to search for coffees, and it's very, very important. For example, if you have a local business, it's very important your local business to be ranked good on Google Map and on Google. Okay, so we'll use, guys, this prompt. It's details, have everything. Okay, so what I will do, I will just copy this prompt like this. So let me show you, guys. Here is the prompt. I will copy this prompt from here just like this. So you will copy this prompt, copy, and what I will do next is I will go back to Google AI. Okay, over here, and I will paste here my prompt. Okay, just like this. Okay, and I will click on this icon here, send. Okay, and here you go. So Google will find local businesses that will be interested to buy our SEO service. Okay, and here you go, guys. You guys can see that Google AI will help you to find a restaurant that will be interested to buy this SEO service from you. Okay, as an affiliate marketer. So here you go. Here is the first one. Here is their website. This is their website, their restaurant website. Here is Google Map link, Google rating. They have just few reviews, not a lot. And here you go. Okay, you have everything. Best public email, they don't have a public email, but that's fine. We can scroll more down, we can find a restaurant that have public email, so we'll use this public email to send to this restaurant our SEO service. Okay, so for example, like this one, the second one, guys, you guys can see here, like this one, this is their restaurant website. If we click on their restaurant website, you guys can see here we will be in this restaurant website. Okay, from United States. This is their website. You guys can see here, this is a restaurant from United States. You see everything. Okay, so like this restaurant website, for example, they have, yes, they have a public email, which is very good. Best public email, they have a public email. Here you go, this one. Okay, if we scroll down, here is the third restaurant. Okay, restaurant number 3. This is their website. Okay, they have also public email, which is good. and here is number 4, and so on. Okay, so you have here a lot of local restaurants that will be interested to buy this SEO service from you. Okay, so how we can promote your affiliate links to those restaurants? Okay, here is pay close attention first. So what we will do next, we will go back to Fiverr. Okay, and what we will do here, we will click on the search and search for Google My Business. Okay, we will search for Google My Business services that will help those local businesses to rank higher on Google and on Google Map. Here you go, you will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service, you guys can see. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. Okay, so if those restaurants will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers that you are choosing, they are good sellers, they have good reviews, they will provide good service for the restaurants, they can buy this service from you, you earn a commission. Okay, so let's pick as an example one. I will choose as an example this one, guys. This one is pro seller, which is very good. I will skyrocket your local SEO, Google Maps, and Google ranking, Google My Business ranking. This one is a good one. It's pro seller, very good. I will choose this one, guys. I will click on his service like this. So just click on the seller service that you guys want to use, and you will be, guys, in this seller profile page. You guys can see here. Okay, what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link like this, and what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and you will click on your dashboard here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be, guys, in this page. Click on dip link and paste this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go, you just created your first affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr Pro new plan. So if you are promoting pro services, always copy your affiliate link from here, from this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting other services like level 1, level 2 top rated seller, you will copy your affiliate link from here. So for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this affiliate marketing business, guys, for over 7 years. That's why I still have this option. This is an old Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and if you are watching this and thinking, okay, but I want someone to actually show me how to build this step by step, that's exactly why I created my AI affiliate marketing course. Inside, I show you how you can use the latest AI tools to build both Fiverr and Amazon affiliate income streams, find profitable opportunities, create content faster using AI without showing your face, without using your voice, and getting free traffic without relying on ads, on paid ads, using social media platforms, using Pinterest, YouTube, and Instagram, and TikTok, and Facebook Reels. Okay, so instead of spending a month jumping between random YouTube videos and trying to figure everything out yourself, you can follow the exact system I teach my students. I have helped a lot of students to make their first $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, and $10,000 from affiliate marketing using free traffic and AI. Okay, if you are serious about turning AI and affiliate marketing into a real income stream, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I will send you all the details. Okay, anyway, let's complete our video. Like I said, we created our affiliate link. We need to promote this affiliate link, guys, on Google. Okay, so what we will do next, guys, is we will go back to Google. Okay, go back to Google, and let's pick one as an example. Okay, let me see the first one here, the second one, Dallas, writing by the scene, this one, writing by the scene. Okay, so we will pick this restaurant, guys, the restaurant number 2, to show you. Okay, this is their email address. You guys can see that AI will give you everything. Okay, this is their email address. If we scroll more down, we can find also that AI created our email that we can send to this restaurant. Okay, so let me show you guys. Here you go, guys. You guys can see here, called email pitch template, top 10 leads. Okay, this is the first one for the first restaurant. Second one, written by the season. This one I will copy, guys, the second email, this one that I will use. I will copy this email from here, and what I will do next, I will go back to this restaurant. Okay, to the second restaurant. This is the first one, this one. Okay, and this is their email. You guys can see here, best public email. We can contact this restaurant from this email. I will click on this email like this. Just click on the email, and here you go. So you just need to send your email to this restaurant, just like this. Okay, here is subject. I will copy this subject here. Okay, and I will put subject here. remove this. Okay, here you go, and here your website link. You see this option, guys? Your website link. Here you need to put your affiliate link, okay, so people can click and learn more about this service. Let me show you what you will do. Okay, so I will make it like this. Okay, so here I need to put my affiliate link. So what I will do next, guys, is I will go back to Fiverr affiliate, to my Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and what I will do, I will scroll down, go over here to Fiverr Pro new plan. I will copy my affiliate link from here. Okay, this affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short. I can go and to Google search for short link. This one, I will use this link just to make this affiliate link short. It's too much long. To make it looks more professional and branding, shorten, click on shorten. Here you go, copy the link, and I will paste the link here. Okay, just like this, you see. Here you go. Okay, and here you go. Here you can put your name as an example. Thanks, March. And you have an email, cold email, good, ready to be sent to those local restaurants. Okay, you can click on send and send this email to this restaurant. Okay, and that's it, guys. And that's exactly, guys, how you can promote your affiliate links on Google using free traffic and AI. Okay, and you guys have a lot of local businesses that you can target, not just restaurants, and they will be interested, guys, because this, guys, this service, let me show you this service, guys, is very important. If you have a local business, it's very important that your local business we should be ranking good on Google and on Google Map. It's very, very important. So those restaurant, those local businesses, they will be interested to buy this service from you. So it's up to you, it's up to your content that you are using, and if you can convince those local businesses to buy the service from you, you can earn good commissions. So for example, guys, you guys can see that this seller is pro seller. Okay, so for this service, guys, it's just the basic package starting from $130. If you remember, we will earn 70% of the first order for pro services. Okay, if we go to ChatGPT and ask him what is 70% of $130, you guys can see that the first commission is $91, which is crazy, guys. Okay, that's the power of working with high affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing program. You don't need millions of views, you don't need millions of visitors, and you don't need ads. You just need to work and choose a good high ticket affiliate marketing program that you can work with, that they are paying good commissions, and you can make good commissions if you are target good audience that will be interested to buy those services from you. You can't use just Google. There is a lot of social media platforms that you guys can get free traffic from, and you just need to create a good and SEO content optimized that will rank on those social media platforms to get you free traffic and make you commissions. Okay, I'm explaining everything inside my AI affiliate marketing course. If you want to learn more about this business, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I will send you all the details. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.